now let's look at some of the other states for which we have exit poll results, or we have exit poll averages. And there, if the Congress was hoping that Punjab would be its consolation prize, here too we are not quite sure, because here's the situation with Punjab. The poll of exit polls all agree that the Akali-BJP alliance has been wiped out, just only 10 seats coming to it. But the Congress and the AAP are closely tied. The Congress is at 54, just a shade ahead of the AAP at 52. So Punjab could literally go any other way. Let's try and pull up for you more exit poll results of other states that have also gone to elections. Goa, let's look at. And Goa, again, we have a situation where the poll of exit polls suggests that the BJP is actually holding on to Goa just barely. 18 seats, the Congress at 12, and the Aam Aadmi Party tried to make its debut in Goa, but has not been able to do that. Uttarakhand, another state where the BJP appears to have seized the lead based on the poll of exit polls. The BJP at 42, the Congress at 24, others at 4. But again, within that, there are exit polls which are showing that it could be very tight, like India TV C Voter, which actually showed a neck and neck between the BJP and the Congress. And lastly, we have Manipur for you, where again, it appears that the BJP has given the Congress a good fight, perhaps even edged ahead of that government in Manipur, which the Congress has held for so long. The BJP at 24, the Congress at 26, others at 10. So if some were hoping, Sonia, that these exit poll findings would ease the tension and would end the suspense for the 11th of March, that hasn't happened. So at least the good news is that we will have a lot of viewership. People are going to be tuning in because the big results are still very much up in the air.